What's up, babes and baby dolls, and welcome back to my channel. Ladies, if you're new here, welcome. Ladies, if you already been here, you already know we back with another wig install and review. In today's video, I will be installing this wig from Gorgius hair. This is the box. Absolutely gorgeous. It's just giving what it's supposed to give. The box is gorgeous, the wig is gorgeous, and I can't wait to show y'all this absolutely gorgeous unit from Gorgius hair in today's video. So you guys, the unit that I will be installing and reviewing for you all today will be their high density messy curly wig with highlights. So we're gonna get into the unboxing, and then I will show y'all how to install this wig. It is 100% glueless. Absolutely gorgeous. This is what the bag looks like. It says Gorgius, and of course I received some goodies. So inside I have an elastic band in case I want to make my wig a little bit tighter. I can sew that on. Some hairpins. They gave me two cute clamps. Edge brush, of course we need those. We need an edge brush, and some tweezers. So this is the wig straight out of the box. It already has the band attached and sewn in on the inside. It already has the wig on the inside, two combs on the side here, and a comb in the back. This is what it looks like. Really pretty. I'm so excited to try this wig on, y'all. Let's get into the install. And what I absolutely love about this unit is you get to try color without dyeing your natural hair color. It also is a summer look. It literally takes 10 minutes to throw this on, and also there is no lace and no glue involved in this install. Like, I love a glueless and throw on and go wig, or just a simple wig thing. So what I'm going to do is, to kind of make the curls pop out a little bit, I'm going to take it upside down and give it a nice shake, just to kind of fluff out my curls. So you're going to put it on like this. So take your band and you're going to place it back here. If you have that part on, you just simply pull this. Oops, pull this back. Oh my gosh, wait. I gotta get it on here right, y'all. My clamps here. Oh. Just gonna continue to kind of fluff her out. I love how lightweight this feels on my head. It's really full. It's super soft, and the quality is like great, y'all. Like, I definitely can wear this on a regular. Super cute. Well, I love the fact that if I want to just throw on a different unit, I could just pop this right on off. Okay, pop it right on off and switch into one of my other wigs without having to actually take my install down, like braid, sew in, glue, all of that. Like, you could be a whole nother person. You could be a whole nother person in 3.5 seconds. And it still looks gorgeous. I love this, y'all. You definitely need this unit on your hand. It's so convenient how you can just throw it on and go. And this is the back. Cute, right? Really cute. It's giving very much a cute little baby doll. A little baby doll. So yeah, this is the finished look of this Gorgius hair. This is their high density messy curly bangs wig. I will leave the link in the description box. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video, babes and baby dolls.